let's learn how to use stock video in CapCut. In this video, we will show you the easiest way to access stock videos in CapCut. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open CapCut app on your device. After that, click on Big New Project button in the upper of the screen. Now you has come to section with your files and pictures. Then we can choose which menu to enter. We have albums, spaces, and stocks videos at our disposal. The next thing you need to do is click on stock videos. Now, CapCut automatically opens trending videos where we can find currently popular videos. However, we can also explore more videos ourselves, and for that, we have additional options like Halloween, green screen, background, and others. In these sections, we can find intro clips, outro clips, the like and subscribe buttons on a green screen. This time, I'll select a video from the green screen. Once you've decided which video you want, select it, and finally, click the Add button. Now you can save this video and insert it into your video later. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.